Hi everybody, Nick here from thebeardedhousewife.com, the blog and the YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I want to show you this super cute, multicolored happy birthday card. Can you guys see that? Each one of these are drawn on by the Cricut in multiple different colors, hence the name multicolored birthday card. It's so cute, but this is the first version that I made, and then this is the one that I'm going to show you today how to make. Since we're in October at the time of me filming this video, I figured that it was perfect to do an October themed or Halloween themed birthday card. So two different versions, both super cute, easy to make. I'm going to show you how to do this version with the orange and black, so let's get started. First thing that we need to do is go to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. Under the resource library tab, we're going to go to enter the library, type in the password, hit enter, and then you're brought to the free files. The number that you want to look for is number 95. That's the multicolored birthday card file. Click on that hyperlink and download it to your computer. Once you've unzipped it, we can go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space. I'm in a new project here in Design Space. We're going to go to Upload and then Upload Image. If you need help downloading or uploading your SVGs into Cricut Design Space, you can click on the link that's up in the upper right hand corner, and I show you how to do that in another tutorial. Now we'll go ahead and highlight that image now that we've uploaded it, and then click Add to Canvas. And it will bring our project into our canvas. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here. Alright, first thing that we need to do is click Ungroup. And now we can scroll all the way down to the bottom. We're going to work on the envelope first. So click on that top layer within the envelope group. Under Operation, change that to Score. Then highlight the entire group and click Attach. Now we're going to find the card base and do the same thing for that score line. Move these out of the way so you can see things a little bit better. Now we're going to go to the fun font that's on the front. Each one of these individual letters can be changed to a different color. So to do that, you're going to want to highlight that layer. Head over to Operation and change that to Pen. And then change the color here in this box right here. Once that's all done, you're going to want to highlight that entire group, including the card layer. And then go down and click Attach. And now that layer is all set. Now we need to scroll down and find the happy layer. That's the little part that we're going to pop up with some foam squares, and do the same thing. Change the operation from basic cut to pen, change the color to whatever color you prefer, highlight that group, and then click Attach. Everything else is all set, so we can head up and click Make It. In the matte preview, you'll find the different mattes. We can go ahead and click Continue. I'm waiting for my machine to connect to Design Space. Now we can select our material. I'm using medium weight cardstock, and we can go ahead and get started. Now that everything's been cut out, we can go ahead and start to assemble. First thing that we're going to do is fold the card base in half along the score line. Take our scraper and burnish the fold. Now we can take the birthday text layer and then the mat, flip over the birthday layer, add some glue or adhesive to the back, and then place that on the mat. You're going to want to leave just a very small border around the edge. Give it a good press with your hand. All right, now we can flip the mat over and then add adhesive to the back of that. And now we can place that on top of our card base. Now we're going to take our little happy layer, flip that over, and then add a small little bit of the foam squares. I actually cut one of the foam squares in half. Take the paper backing off. And you can place this wherever you would like on the card. I always like it to go right over the B and the I, just making sure that it is parallel. Give it a good press. That looks good. All right, let's set that to the side and work on the envelope. So for the envelope, you're going to want to go ahead and fold along the score lines and burnish them as well. And now you can add glue or adhesive to the bottom edge of the side flaps. And then bring the bottom flap up with your thumbs, give it a good press on both sides, and then that forms your envelope. And your card is all ready to go. Isn't that fun? I love how you can change up the look just by changing up the different pens that you use. You can make it really, really happy and colorful. You can make it themed. It's just really, really cool. I hope that you liked this video and that you'll try it out. If you did like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com, for lots more card tutorials. And until next time, I will see everybody later. Bye-bye.